Hello, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Jessica.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher.
Do you have any sibling?
Yes, I have a sister.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What day is it today?
It's Sunday.
Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
What are your hobbies?
I like reading book and cook.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
Can I help you with anything?
No, I'm good thanks.
What your favorite food?
I love burger.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer.
Have you ever been to USA?
No, but I would love to go.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
I'd love to. What's your dream vacation?
I'd love to visit the Maldives.
Did you enjoy the concert?
Yes, it was amazing.
How's your family doing?
They're doing well, thank you.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I like comedies.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or listen music.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite animal?
I like cat and dog.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, and I love it so much.
Are you sick?
Yes, I am.
When will the meeting finish?
Maybe around 5 o'clock.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 7 years.
Would you like to leave a message?
Please ask him to call me back.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did.
When will he be back?
He'll back in 20 minutes.
Can I speak to David?
I'm sorry. He is not here at the moment.
Is there a bank near here?
I'm sorry. I don't know.
How long does it take?
It takes an hour.
Have you been waiting long?
Only a few minutes, dear.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to the beach.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, of course.
Could we have lunch together one day?
With pleasure.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
What are you planning for after work?
I'm going shopping with my friends.
What your favorite color?
I like yellow.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to go to the beach.
Do you prefer traveling by train or plane?
I prefer by train.
What do you usually do during your trip?
I visit Angkor Wat.
How many countries have you traveled to?
I've traveled to 6 countries.
Do you have any rooms available for the 14th of April?
I'm sorry we don't have any rooms available.
How long will you be staying?
I'm here until the end of the month.
Do you have credit card?
Yes, I have.
May I see your ID, please?
Here it is.
What kind of room would you like?
I like a single room, please.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
What time do you close?
We close at 9 p.m.
What time do you open?
We open at 8 a.m.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, I like.
Do you need any help packing?
No, thanks. I can manage myself.
Can you offer me any discount?
Yes, of course.
How much would you like?
I like 2 kilos.
Where can I find the milk?
It's in baby shop.
Could you tell me where the fruit is?
It's on the shelf.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for coffee.
What's the purpose of your trip?
I'm on vacation.
Would you prefer an aisle seat or a window seat?
Aisle, please.
May I have your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.